Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Big Super is in the beautiful community of Prospect. Yeah, we're going to take a look on the road after the storm. Today, the 26th, my people. It's a beautiful Monday morning. I don't know what time you guys going to get this video, because the internet down here give me a problem. But I hope you get it soon enough. Yeah, the 26th of September. I say we just move off of the brand new road. I tell my viewers and subscribers, and we are head to the community and listening, you know. So stick and stay, my viewers, and follow me. Drive on the road and look if the tropical depression do any little thing. I see one or two look hole in the brand new something, but I not really comment on that because I don't want nobody feel say me I bash them. You understand? Because you don't know St. Thomas is a rainy parish. Yeah, when we say rainy, we mean rainy. Yeah, man. You live at St. Thomas, come like when you live at Portland. You have to make up your mind to deal with a lot of rain at times. Yes, some of you are subscriber. I hope you guys were there in the Caribbean and all over the place there where the storm interact with. Wow, whole out there, so you have to slow down to 0. I hope you guys were there out in the Caribbean, the island there, you know. I wish you know a safe thing to the hurricane thing. So the man they fly past me. You know what always amaze me, my viewers and subscribers? Is how you drive on a mash up road and I take time and you see a man fly past you. I have one ever the same road in Depan. I'm on a different road. I have to navigate all of them, so I have to drive go down a line. Now I tell you story. You don't see a vehicle just fly past you a while ago. Yeah man, so as I was saying, you know, I hope you guys all over the Caribbean, yeah, in the Gulf of Mexico and all them places where the different storm ahead. I wish you know safe, you know, try to stay safe. Make sure you put all of the little necessities, things them in place, you know, and things because at the stormy season now and you don't know where you go. Yeah, rain and fall and things, but we're up and we're out, my viewers and sub, and we take a look at the road. I don't know whether gentleman there blow. We take a look at the road, my viewers and subscribers, and we just look on the roadway, you know, and I look at the storm really do nothing. Because them to put on some oil on the road there, you know. We see them oil it and sun it, but every oil and every sun gone. Every oil and every sun gone off of this stretch of road, my viewers and subscribers. So out here, man, and we are enter the community well known as retreat, you know. Yeah man, so we are enter now the upper part a retreat. Yeah, retreat is a nice beautiful community, you know. Very nice beautiful place. And it's right just about the detour sign of the alloy, it like the storm blow it down or the tropical depression blow it down. Right down there, so them work on the bridge. Yeah, one bridge down there, so I work from Wappy Kill fill up. So you have to turn a right turn here, so and bypass it, and then you go up that road and then you take a left turn. Yeah, my viewers and sub, so that the bridge I work on from Wappy. We don't know Wappy, but go come here, my old parents and talk about Wappy Kill fill up. Yeah, so upon them time that I bridge I work on. Yeah, my viewers and stuff, so there I drive at the same time. I drive here straight in the camera. The camera look like it lean. Yeah, I hope I get a good view. Yeah, my viewers, so I'm there on the road. I'm there in a retreat. Yeah, upper part of the retreat. And I take my time and I go down, you know. Yeah man, whoa. Some old there so you can't see. This is why you have to take your time and when rain fall, my viewers and sub. And a tree blow down, yeah. The officer slow down to give me way there. A tree blow down, yeah man. So I just pass cesspool road, that's what they call it that road there. And a cesspool road it name but you a man have a cesspool truck there. And just call it cesspool road, they can't be in that. Yeah, so I come off back now to the detour yeah, so I come back on the main road there, so. And the rain look at water will fall, look like it wash the whole of the little mall on the morning roll. Yeah man, I look at rain there, wash everything. So St. Thomas is when it comes to rain, you know, not an easy parish to really deal with, you know. Yeah, rain kind of slope every little thing back that side, yeah. Yeah. And thing, but the people in St. Thomas used to it still. You know, like them in Portland used to water and thing. And them at St. Thomas supply Kingston with water, you know. Yeah man, so me in a retreat, same way I come to a retreat. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. People overtake me, that means the road drivable. You see man fly around, do me a drive. I drive well slow right there, so. Yeah, me have a look at ditch where I have to go across, so. It just take me a look at time, you know. And thing, but my viewers and subscribers. It's a nice, beautiful morning. Yeah. Very nice, beautiful morning. Down here, so now, other part of retreat, yeah. You have to go to navigate it, you know. Down here, so fully mall. One good mile or so. And the vehicle have to up and down. Like it in a roller coaster. Yeah. Yeah, and the vehicle have to up and down. I tell them my viewers and so. Yeah, so it's the morning after. Yeah, it's a Monday morning. The morning after the tropical depression, the Monday morning. Yeah. Well, the sky dark, cause I tell you something, you see, from the tropical depression come and the place go dark. You don't see no more sun, you know. But I like to see the sun. I love to see the sun, you know, my viewers and stuff. Yeah man, I love to see the sun, man. But the sun rising at the east, man, is one of the most beautifulest thing you ever see. I'm showing it all the while, you know. Line out my camera and all these things. Yeah man, the sun rising at the east, man. So I'm there up on the road and the road driver the same way. Yeah. Road driver, but it's a man that overtake and pass me. So typical Jamaican road driver, but some man in front of me, you know. I go look how he take himself. Yeah. The road driver with my viewers and subscribers. Up on the road and taxi man them out as usual. I look them food from early. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So I'm there out in a retreat and I head to into Johnstown crossing, you know. Yeah man. All who know the famous hotel named Golden Shore. Yeah, if you ever go to Golden Shore, put up your hand, give me a thumbs up right away. A big pool there, some viewers, so I take it to the other side there. I don't know for the safe side, so I just take me choose a side and pool of water there right there, so. Yeah. Only see me I try to navigate. After the storm, my viewers and subscribers, big super, out Eastern St. Thomas, yeah, so. Yeah man, on the road is a mess. Yeah. Me I take my time though. When you're up on them road, yeah, when you invest in a vehicle, you can't invest in a little car thing, you know. Yeah, no car thing, not really. Unless you have to go high up the car, but yeah, the car thing, no. You have to pop on a little van, you know. Yeah man, or CRV or SUV or some V. So you can manage it. So me I come right down, see it? I'm gonna look a grade there. The right at Johnstown crossing. And on the left hand side there, so where you turn to go Golden Shore Hotel. Yeah, you might can see the sign if you was that, so you might can see the sign. Yeah, you might can see the sign. Golden Shore Hotel. Yeah, my viewers and stuff, so don't let us stay bad. dude. That's a steep water. Yeah. That's a steep bad my viewers and so. Like they must get the brunt of the water. Vehicle drive like the vehicle drive like it punch at my viewers. You know what the road make me feel so on my mind. I tell me. The vehicle drive like you know when something punch at. Yeah. So me have to stop right there some viewers and subscribers for a second and just take a look. Just so they're on the safe side. So stick and stay. Don't change your dial, my viewers and sub. Yeah, my viewers and sub. It don't look like it punch at all. It don't look like a the bad road. It just look like a the bad road, my viewers and sub. Bad road. I tell you. Remember what the brother say up Mount Felix. When you can watch a video there, the man said the people them have to migrate from the community because of the bad road. Nice community, you know, my viewers and so. Mount Felix, you know. I have a video up on it when you can check it out. Yeah, man. Man said the people, then the resident, you want to imagine? Resident, them have to leave a community through bad road. Yeah, man, so my viewers and sub, me dey a license and me I go through still. I not tell you like the rain do some whole lot messed up. I don't know what kind of method them I go use. Them have to just concrete the whole of St. Thomas road. Just concrete the whole stretch of it. Cause I don't feel concrete can. Want to tell me an opinion, my viewers and sub. Concrete. One opinion if you concrete the road. I feel concrete will work out better on them road, you know. Every day you come through an asphalt and you take it out back, throw it on the car and really take it out. I feel if you concrete the road, you can get 135 years, you know. Because I see some place in the city with them concrete, I mean, I tell you like, I know, and a long time that. Yeah, man. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. So, I'm there, right in the vicinity of the Sterling Bakery. Yeah. See it there, that. One day. But they're right in the vicinity of Sterling Bakery, my viewers and subscribers. I'm glad when I reach out because Sterling Bakery people them watch my video. And I have a complaint, you know. I have a complaint. You see the grotto bread? I don't know what I do, but look like when I start put butter in it. And me I'm not going to have it out, you know, because my favorite bread is Sterling. So now listen to the video, people that listen to the video, tell them, say, put back the butter, put enough butter in it. See the bridge, so the bridge people where I make from Wappy Kill fill up. I bridge that. We just pass and make a look at detour come around it. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. So I tell you, say, if you negotiate the stretch of road, yeah, if you know in one good vehicle, no bother start. Yeah, no bother start. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. But the morning nice. I know, say, I get the impression, say, the sun I gonna come up this morning. Yeah, me get that impression, my viewers and subscribers. Say the sun I gonna come out this morning. So you see that video here what me I do? Me I do one way go down to the Princess Margaret Hospital, something about this so. And then me I go do a part 2 feet. Come back up. So when you can see the two of them in a one day, and you see one in the morning and you will see the next one in the afternoon. So my viewers and sub, after the storm there must be a calm. Now so it go. Yeah. All of the mall wash off basically off of the road. The road basically gone back square one. Yeah man. Basically gone back at square one. Out of license me there. Yeah. No, me near for reach right at the post office. I tell you say, you know. St.Thomas are some nice place. Hey, St.Thomas are really one blessed place still, you know. Every little district and town have them post office, you know. Yeah man. Nice, clean, decent post office. Yeah man. Big up Jack Palance. Yeah. Go shop and restaurant and everything out there so. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So big super. Just a pass the license post office. Yeah. So I'm gonna turn the camera. I'm gonna see it. But right in the vicinity me there. And when you take that left turn and you go down to the school, you know. Yeah. My viewers and subscribers. So the road, the rain do some damage to it. I'm going to come back again, come roll it over again. Maybe that process I going to take them all the next 10 years. I'm sit down and think about it, you know. As every time you roll, rain come. You roll today, rain come. You put on, rain come. I remember then I do nothing good. But you know, it can't really last. So, I did so. The thing there. Yeah, man, but we're out in the road there. We have to take our time if you was on sub. And we. Ah, Lord. Yeah, man, you have a right turn here so we can carry around a Michael Black's farm. Yeah. All who don't know. We drive to go around a Michael go get them coconut. The nice coconut. Coconut oil. Natural coconut oil. 150% natural. A right turn there right beside me and so. And see the license beach and my viewers and so. Yeah. Right out of the license beach. My favorite beach is one nice beach, you know. And right at that local intersection of my video it and tell them to come fix it. Look, they just laugh off of me and say come fix what? That TV the whole of I know nobody them can look on it. And right in there so. The little thing will get worse, it will get wider. And now you have a big pool of water there in front of you, don't know which part to go. But me I tell them my viewers and so I don't know what St. Thomas people do the world. I do Jamaica. But it look like it's the last place to get take care of. How much you treat the water they out there so? But you know they're far than no other parish. Yeah, it's one of the closest to Kingston. Love my viewers and sub. Big super there up on the road and me there in the vicinity of the Princess Margaret Hospital. Yeah. What a nice, beautiful, clean hospital. Hey, the hospital is nice. Me not tell a lie. I go KPH and I go some other hospital. I don't really remember out of my head. But you see the service when I get a Princess Margaret Hospital, better. I have to big up the nurses them over there and the doctors them over there, especially over the free clinic. I don't tell you a lie, especially over the free clinic. The hospital take care of them people. Really and truly take care of St. Thomas people. So, me not the vicinity, so I big up all of the nurses and doctors. When you give the video a thumbs up. Right, that's what I done this up. When you give the video a thumbs up, big super big enough. Over the Princess Margaret Hospital. Yeah. When you think up like 7. Yeah man. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers so. Yeah, so full of hole. The whole of the something they wash off of the road. So they have to come with about 500 more truck and all. Come put back on the whole stretch. Because everything basically wash off and gone. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So I head to you now. I head down at Dumfries. At Dumfries, I'm going to terminate the video and my viewers and sub. Yeah, I'm going down at Dumfries. Yeah. So I get up early in the morning because I want my viewers and my subscribers see a part 1 and then in the afternoon, yeah, I drop the part 2 because I'm going to do a return leg. I'm going to see the other way going back to Prospect. So, I'm down at Dumfries here, so you know. Yeah. Wow. You know which part to drive. Trust me. You have to pick and choose that to drive down at cars. All of the sitting wash off gone. And I approach a bridge. I'm a viewers and subscriber. I'm a big pool of water then. Where you drive when you go to the bridge or something? You know, for now, all who familiar with the crocodile that used to live on the bridge years ago, you give video a thumbs up. All him migrate gone, because I look like he can't take her go and run that and take her himself. You know I come across a bridge with a low car? No. See, I'm gonna try to navigate the sidewalk there. Yeah, my viewers and sub. That little piece right in there, so yeah. No, little piece has a little headache. But as I tell you now, that depends on the vehicle when I drive. Yeah man, I just pass a car mart, nice clean car mart out there. Yeah, you can get car at reasonable price. So I'm there in the vicinity of Dumfries. My people, I'm going to go right out of the tire shop and terminate the video. Yeah, I'm going to terminate the video right at the tire shop, my viewers and subscribers. So, if you like what you see, my viewers and sub, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Remember to like, share. Oh, remember to subscribe. Now I'm going to the water there now. Maybe tell them 2 vehicles to pass. Remember to turn on your post notification bell And my viewers and sub, remember to watch out my ads. As a man I might take one whole year, I can't bother with it. I just try a thing. Remember to watch out my ads, people. That's how Big Super collect him little revenue when you watch your ads. For now, Big Super out in St. Thomas. After the storm, there must be a calm. Peace out.